Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get Township mod and hack for your Android or iOS device. Guys, look of this. Township++ is already installed in my mobile device, and this application have a lot of features like unlimited cash and coins, unlimited everything. Guys, look of this. Everything is loaded up. This mod menu is updated and working in 2026. Okay, so how to get this mod menu for your mobile devices. To get Township++ for your Android or iOS device, just open your favorite browser and follow me. Type is in the search bar Township++, press install, wait to finish this process. After complete, our Township++ application will be installed in our mobile device. Once the process is completed, this is last step. Our Township++ application is already installed in my mobile device. So thank you for watching. Bye.